Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Klarna for flexible payments UI integration, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with integrating Klarna for flexible payments in your UI, begin by signing up for a Klarna merchant account. Visit the Klarna website and navigate to the merchant registration page. Fill out the required information to create your account. Once your account is activated, log into the Klarna merchant portal. From the dashboard, locate the API section to access the integration options. Download the Klarna API documentation for detailed guidance. Choose the appropriate API based on your platform, whether it's for web or mobile. Next, generate your API credentials, including your merchant ID and secret key. Ensure you have a secure environment to store these credentials. In your project, install the necessary SDK or library provided by Klarna. Begin implementing the payment integration in your user interface. For a seamless user experience, design the checkout flow with Klarna's payment options clearly displayed. Use Klarna's sample code from the documentation to guide your integration process. Make sure to handle errors and responses correctly to provide feedback to users. Test the integration thoroughly in the sandbox environment provided by Klarna. Verify that all payment methods are working as intended. Once testing is complete, deploy your changes to the live environment. Monitor transactions closely after going live to ensure everything functions smoothly. Lastly, keep an eye on any updates from Klarna to stay compliant with their integration guidelines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.